James here from Dragon Blogger. Today with an unboxing of a new keyboard that we've been looking forward to doing. This is from Redragon. This is their Horus mechanical keyboard. Now this is a low pro keyboard, so it goes from the 7mm down to 4mm key function, which is pretty cool compared to like 11mm on most keyboards, which means it's really thin, which is really awesome. Now this has got several functions that I've been liking and I'm really excited to test out. One is it's got 2.4 gigahertz wireless, so you can hook up to a wireless signal at 2.4 gigahertz, or you can use Bluetooth 3.0 or 5.0, which is really exciting to me. 5 functions. You have your Bluetooth, you have your wireless, you can do it wired. It can go through 5 different 5 different products. You can connect this up to your tablet, with the Bluetooth. You connect it up to your wireless or your Bluetooth to your computer and switch between both devices, which is rather cool. Or use a cord on another device and switch back and forth. Really nice design to be able to do that. Very super slim design. We'll show you guys that in a second. It has the red keys, which is supposed to be dust resistant keys. So we'll see how well that really works, because my keyboards get pretty dusty. Now, like I said, you have the Bluetooth 3.0, Bluetooth 5.0. You have your 5 indicators. It has 5 G keys, so you can program 5 different keys to do 5 different things. It has RGB, full RGB suit setup. I'll show you guys that in a separate video, how to walk through the software, changing the lights. This does have a few different presets of lights on it, and we'll try to show you guys that in a second. First, I forgot a knife, so we're going to try and tear this open for you guys as gently as possible. But I will show you guys the keyboard, show you the first look of it. Their nice logo, their keys, the little dragon up here shows you the little rainbow, stuff like that. Back, pretty much just a little, explanation of what the keyboard is. Shows you the keyboard again. This shows you their keys right here. It shows you normal 11mm, whatever, low profile RGB backlights, 5 indicator G keys, which is what I was kind of telling you about. Plus, it's the wired, plus, the Bluetooth for, 2.4 gigahertz. It is a USB-C, which is really nice. Now, it has a 1900 milliamp battery, so you should get a good time of use through it. Keyboards don't tend to use a lot of power. Now, we're going to slide this out. You guys are going to see that it is rather thin, and it is packed rather tight. Now they got a super nice, super long USB-C to USB key. We have some switches, key extractor. Well, I wasn't expecting this. So, we have the tools. I'm not really sure what this tool is for yet, but I know what this tool is for. This is to pull your keycaps off and your keys so you can swap them out, which means this has 5 separate keys, extra keys. So if you guys have a problem with your keys, they give you 5 extras keys to swap it out. You guys see this little clicking? Not really no noise to it. So there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, there's 8 keys. That's pretty cool. I probably will not do that. The last time I did that, I kind of hurt the keyboard myself. So we have that. We have the tools. They really don't have no instructions right there for that. Like I said, your USB-C to USB. So if you guys want to use it wired, you can do that. Or to charge it. Because you guys remember, it is battery, so you got to charge it. Now, we're going to slide it out this way with everything. Now here we go is the little sticker. Cool little sticker, guys. I love these dragon stickers. User manual, the Horus, tells you how to connect a keyboard with a computer, wired connection with the 2.4 connection. Slide off the on-off switch of the keyboard. Press FN+4 for about 3 seconds. The LED will indicate M flashes quickly. Plug in the USB receiver and then use it at any port, and then it should connect. Bluetooth connections, you guys just turn Bluetooth on, which is just you slide on and off the Bluetooth button, press FN for 1, 2, or 3. for the Bluetooth devices that you want. So you have 3 different Bluetooth connections you can use with this. Pretty cool. There are a lot of functions, different functions that we'll just walk you guys through. So, if you guys want to use wired or wireless, this is your wireless dongle. It is on the back of this device. It is actually, seems magnetic. That's kind of cool. So it's on the back of the device. Right here's your little foot pads. So if you guys want to kick it up, have a little kickstand. I like that they added that. Nice little kickstand. You know, nice little feel. I kind of like the feel of this. We have your scroll volume wheel. This is for volume. This is going to be your lights on and off. Stuff like that. Now, let us find us on the side here. We have our power on and off. We're powered on. You guys can see the lights. Hopefully you guys can see those lights. That's pretty cool. G switches, you know. Here is your Bluetooth one, so you'll have to hold function and FN +1. There goes into function mode 1, FN function 2, FN function 3 or 2.0, or USB. So you will have to switch through those. Light changings, there are light patterns, you know, that it'll change through. We have a memory button up here, which is pretty cool. Here's your G keys. Stuff like that. Now, for home keys, everything there. Pretty cool. Now, if you want to hold function, change the pattern. Hopefully you guys can see all this. We'll change it again. Change it again. Back and forth patterns. That's just going through separate colors. So that is pretty much just hooking it up just like that. I'm going to grab a tablet out. We'll hook it up to a tablet. We'll see how well it works with the tablet as a keyboard. So if you guys give me 1 second. Okay, to do this, you have to turn the power on. Once it's on, hold function and press 1, which is pretty cool, pretty simple, pretty quick. Now on the tablet, it just popped up. We have Bluetooth 5.0 and we have Bluetooth 4.0. We're going to click Bluetooth 5.0 pairing. We're going to pair this. We're now paired. So we are paired as a keyboard. Now let's go over to Google. Hey, make Google Chrome better. Nope. No thanks, no ads. Alright. We're going to type up here. We're going to type in, hopefully you guys can see all this. We're going to go, as you guys can see, it's typing, but I'm not looking really well at this. Pull it up. And you guys will see our videos, stuff like that. Pretty cool, pretty quick, pretty simple. Keyboard works great. You know, works on this tablet. That is awesome. So this is the Horus keyboard from Redragon with 5 functions, or 5, you can use it on 5 different devices at once. You have 3 Bluetooths, you have 1 USB, you also have 1 wireless. Thank you for checking out this video.